What is your name?
My name is Hasni.
What is this?
This is an abacus instrument.
Okay. How many rods are there in abacus instrument?
13 rods.
Okay. Where is upper beats? Where is lower beats? What is value of upper beats?
5, 5.
Value of lower beats?
1, 1.
How many? Where is answering bar? How many dots in answering bar?
5 dots.
Okay. Do one question. Are you ready? 1 plus 2 plus 5. Answer is
Right.
one more. 10 plus 10 minus 10. Answer is
10.
very good. 50 plus 10 minus 50. 20 plus 20 minus 20. Answer is
20.
very good.